Hey Wander Beauties, it's Maria, Community Manager here at Wander Beauty, and today I am so excited to talk to you guys about our Hidden Glow Brightening Cream. We like to think of Hidden Glow as your perfect makeup and skincare hybrid because it gives you the radiance of a skin perfector like our Glotion, but with the benefits of a cream. Did you know that Hidden Glow actually started off as an eye cream, so you can count on the fact that it's going to be super nourishing and packed with lots of skin-loving ingredients. This formula contains ingredients such as Centella Asiatica Extract, which is known to aid in the appearance of skin elasticity and texture, as well as Elderberry Extract. This ingredient helps to diminish the appearance of fine lines and dark spots. What's really cool about Hidden Glow is that it starts off as white and transforms into a beautiful golden color to add warmth and a subtle glow, which is perfect when layered underneath makeup. It's important to know that this formula is different from Glotion because it is not a strobing cream, and rather it gives you a more subtle glow. As I mentioned, Hidden Glow is your makeup and skincare hybrid, so it can essentially replace your moisturizer or be paired with your other skincare. It can also be worn over makeup if you just want to enhance the high points of your face. Hidden Glow can be worn in the morning and in the night, and it is so unique because not only does it give you the instant glow of a skin perfector, over time you will also see the amazing skincare benefits. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait for you to try Hidden Glow.